Anyway, I'm sure I filmed this tractor last year in another field, so I'll stay and watch it for a couple of runs up and down the field. I'll probably get a bit closer, just that it's very, very windy again. Audio is not too good. And the driver of the Ford 7610 told me that this field has been drained, this part of the field anyway, also had spoil from the bank at the railway, and because of this it has big stones and lots of wire. That's why he's taking his time and going very slowly. To be honest, I think he was quite fed up getting all the wire and bits and pieces from the plough. So I've just forgotten what it is. It's certainly a Ford. I'll see when it gets a bit closer. Going nice and steady, making a good job. So I'm actually back on my Sony camera today, camcorder. So today we're actually on the border between England and Scotland at Gretna. So I think it's a 7, 8, 10, but not exactly sure. Could be a 6.